Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is going to be a time lapse. I call this what is it? This painting Mother Nature. So for this painting, it actually was like I'd made this painting like a year ago, and it had some technical difficulties. I'm gonna show you right now. Give me 1 second. All right, so this was the original painting that I began with, but as you can see, it was destroyed. Now it's not a completely lost cause what is it called, canvas, but I didn't have plans for this, like for this painting to have holes in it. And a lot of people told me like, oh, just like make more holes in it and make it look like it's intentional type of thing, but that was not the vibe or the thought process I had for this. But yeah, it became Mother Nature. First it was just a girl, and at first I was gonna do her hair black, and then I just started, it was like, what if I do her hair green? And then after I did her hair green, I was just like, oh my god, this is Mother Nature. And then yeah, so that's how the whole painting was created. And then like a lot of the things that like went into the painting, like the tree branches I had planned out, and like I knew I was gonna put tree branches over her face, but the flower crown and everything, that was not like intentional. Like I did that last minute. And also, yeah, I think only the flower crown was last minute, and the background was last minute too, because I just really didn't know what to do. And then like I was just like going for like a dark vibe, so that's why the background's like black. And yeah, so that's all I have to say for this piece. I hope you enjoy the time lapse. It took me, I would say, uninterrupted time, it took me probably, I want to say like 8 hours. This painting actually took a lot of time in between like layers, because I had to let it dry. Like if it was uninterrupted, it was probably 8 hours straight, but like over the course of time, it took me like, I would say a month, because I wasn't working on it consistently. Like I started this one like a month ago, and I kind of like fell off of it for a while because I like was working 2 jobs, and it was just hard to like, but it is finally completed, and I poured my blood, sweat, tears, heart, soul, mind, all of that into this painting. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the time lapse, about the painting. If you're interested in buying it, I don't think it's up for sale yet, but I will take negotiations because I just really enjoy this painting, and I don't think I would just up for nothing. So like, it's not on sale yet, but if you really have your heart set on or something, you can inquiry in my email that I will list below. Inquiry, I don't know if that's right, inquiry or inquire below, not below, in my email. My email is going to be below. That's what's the below. Anyways, if you like this makeup look, I just filmed the video of the process of it, so that will be up soon. I did this makeup look inspired by the painting, so yeah, that is going to be up soon. You can follow me on both of my Instagram pages. My main page is at tierra_xo_. My art page is at tierradoartt with 2 T's. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a wonderful day.